Okay, in this video, we'll see what is Jupyter Notebook. It's an open source web application which allows you to create and share the documents that contain Python codes, equations, visualization, or any other documentation text. Even you can use it to like clean data, do transformation, do numerical simulation or calculation, then any kind of modeling or data visualization, and other machine learning and deep learning codes you can write. Also for AI-based solutions, which is written in Python, that also you can do. Image processing, OCR, all these kind of projects. Now, when you go to this URL, right, https colab.research.google.com, you'll be presented with this pop-up window. Okay. So here you see there are some Google Colab notebook examples, Jupyter notebook examples available. Okay, you can click any one of them and it will open in a new tab, and you'll be able to see how to create like BigQuery snippets, how to connect with Google Drive, how to access the file within your Jupyter notebook in Google Colab, how to read data tables, write data tables, how to create forms, how to work with BigQuery, then how to work with cloud storage, sheets, and Google Drive data, right? So all these examples notebook are created for you. Also, if you have done some projects or if you are starting first time, you can create a new notebook from here, and those notebooks will be shown here. Okay. So if you see here, there are some other notebooks that I have logged upon, and here I can see those in the recent tab. Also, you can see some notebooks that I have saved in the Google Drive, and those notebooks you can also see. So these are already saved in Google Drive. So I can come back later and just open that notebook and execute all the codes written within that Jupyter notebook. Also, you can integrate it with Google GitHub. Okay. So you will be presented with this login window. You sign in to your GitHub, and your GitHub will be integrated with your Google Colab. And whatever the codes you are writing, you can publish it to GitHub account. So whatever the code you have written in your Jupyter notebook in Google Colab, you can publish it to GitHub directly from here. Or otherwise, you can get a Google Colab notebook from GitHub, or if you have written it locally in your machine, you can upload it by choosing the file and upload it. Once you have uploaded that IPython notebook or Jupyter notebook, here you can execute using the Google Colab compute engine. So this all we have in the Jupyter notebook. Next, let's create a new notebook. So if you click on the new notebook, it will start a new session and it will give it untitled. You can name it as, let's say, demo notebook. Okay, so this is what we have, a new notebook created. Now you don't have any code or text written here, okay, that we are going to write later. Now first of all, once you have created a notebook, you need to connect with a compute engine. So just click on connect and it will start allocating a compute engine machine for you to run your notebook codes. Now let's see how we can create text cell and code cell. So first we'll click text cell, and here it is giving option to write a text cell. My first Google Colab notebook. Okay, so this is my text cell. Then if you hover here just below it, you can see you want to create another text cell, like it will be for documentation, or you want to create the code cell which you can execute. So let me just click on the code cell, and here we have something called a code cell, which, and beside that we have run button also to execute that code. So here we will write our Python code, import time, and then I will print time dot ctime. So here I am writing a code which imports time package of Python, and then I'm printing time dot ctime, and if I just click on run button, it will execute this code using this compute engine. Okay, and you can see the time of today, 8th May, it's Monday, okay, 2023, and that's the time. So this is the C time, central time, basically. Now we can clear the output using this clear output cross button is there. So this will clear the output. Now here I have code cell. I can simply go here and delete it, or I can simply move it to below. Okay, so here I have text cell, here I have code cell, and again another code cell. So this is the simple code that we have written. Let me delete this extra code cell. You can click on this delete button and this will delete the code cell. Also similarly, you have option to delete this code cell or this text cell. You can also delete this text cell. So there is a shortcut Control M Z or Z. Okay, using that you can undo the cells that you have deleted. So just I undid this text cell. So that's about how you can work with Jupyter Notebook. In our subsequent video, in this Google Colab video series, we'll see how we can write more sophisticated code, run some data analysis and machine learning code through Google Colab. So please be in touch and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.